What's up everybody, how you doing? Take a look, we finally have it finished. Took a long time, a lot more work than I expected, but I think the outcome's pretty good overall, and I think it's going to give us so much information when we do these tests. And I hope you guys appreciate this. If you do, please do me a huge favor, smash that like button and consider subscribing. I'm going to put every single robot vacuum I have through this. I'm going to call it the testing room. Yeah, that's kind of a cool name. And we'll be able to see how good it does on pretty much every single surface that a robot's going to have to encounter. So I'm pretty excited about this. So in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to give away 2 robot vacuums that I've been talking about. And I'm going to go over the requirements and information on how I'm going to give those away. And that's going to be in just a minute or so after we discuss this a little bit further. Also want to do kind of a vote. What vacuum do you want me to do first with this? I'd also like to use this area as some of my crazy tests where I put down all my robot vacuums and have them all go at once. And I'm trying to think of something clever or fun to make them all do at the same time. Like I did a 4 or 5 way knife fight like a year and a half ago. A lot of people seem to like that. If I had 12 robots doing that, I think that'd be pretty cool. If you guys can think of something different like that, let me know also in the comments. As you can see, I finally got up the border. Painted it white. I'm glad I painted it white. Looks a lot better. And I have the tile, of course. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to see me put in. Basically, I'm going to fill up these non-grouted lines completely with some sort of debris like, I don't know, salt, pepper, something like that that would be able to see it actually suck up after the testing is done. And I guess since there's so many, I could even do variances on the material, like say salt, pepper, fruity pebbles, I mean whatever, all the way down. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in these cracks. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I think this is going to be really cool. I think it turned out pretty good overall. Not perfect, but I'm happy with it. For me doing it all by myself. And it's literally just for this channel and to show all of you what these robots can truly do. So you get all the information you need and you can decide on what robot vacuum is best for you. Alright, what is up everybody? As you know, I passed 10,000 subscribers, so thank you all very much. Really appreciate it. Pretty cool to get that high. Next goal is going to be 100,000. It's going to take a while, but I know I'll get there eventually. So keep liking my videos. Subscribe if you're new. Helps me out a lot. And I try to keep making good content. And as you just saw, I made a specific room just for these robot vacuums. So I am giving away 2 robot vacuums for totally free. If you're international, you can still enter to win, but I will have you set up shipping and you can send me a label to send to you, or if you have someone in the United States that I can ship to them, then they can set up shipping to you. That'll work as well. Obviously everybody in the United States, of course, Canada is eligible. So the few things I'd like you to do to enter this giveaway: if you're new, subscribe please, like this video, and comment down below, all in caps, free robot. And in this particular video, we're going to be giving away the Roomba 692. Very good random navigation robot. And that one is going to be for this particular video. Now the better, overall better robot vacuum, the iRobot Roomba 982, that one I'm going to do a little bit differently. I've done this in the past, and I'm going to make the next 2 videos labeled giveaway. I'm going to hide a random number or code, and I'll explain this more in the video. This is more leaned towards my dedicated viewers, not just the people who want to enter this giveaway to get a free item. So the next 2 videos, I'm just going to throw in a random number with letter, say, pretend it was AZ3, whatever. And it's just going to be kind of in plain view like that. But the reason I'm doing that is so you kind of enjoy my video and watch it all. And that'll show me that you're actually on this channel for the right reasons. Alright, so once again, this particular video, I'm giving away this one. So you have to like, subscribe, and comment below in all caps, free robot. And let's go ahead and shoot for May 1st. I'll go ahead and pull the drawing and we'll do a winner that way. Now this one, like I said, the next two videos, I'm going to hide a little code and I'll explain it more in each video. And I'm going to give this one away on May 1st as well. You will have to be a subscriber, and in those videos as well, I'm going to require you to type in free robot in caps. That way it's easier to pick a winner. So that's the way I wanted to do this. One for basically anybody, and then one for more of my actual subscribers and real viewers. So I don't want to just give away both of these to someone who sees this video, clicks subscribe, doesn't watch any of my videos, and just happens to win a free robot vacuum because that's all they're out for. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Once again, please let me know down in the comments everything you want to see down with the testing room. And I'm going to be making a lot more content. And I really appreciate all of you. Please comment. I like interacting with all of you. And also have an awesome day. Peace.